This is a tough business. You can either make friends,
I've known you for 20 years. I'm your friend.
or you can make money. You're fired. Nash was one of those guys I thought was there for my whole life. And then one of my best friends came to the ring last night and tried to break my damn neck.
Oh, no! No! Jackknife powerbomb, folding Triple H in half.
Kevin, why'd you do it?
But I'm not worried about my neck. Kevin Nash broke my heart. If the last 20 years have meant anything, get your ass in this ring. For once in your life, Kev, be a man. Walk down here.
Now, to my knowledge, Kevin Nash.
Shut up.
Here.
Shut up. Here's how it's going to work, John. I'm the COO, which means you still report to me. So you are going to find Kevin Nash and bring him back to me so I can kick his ass. Bring him to me.
Oh, my God. Nash.
You're not supposed to be here. Come on, you gotta leave. Get out of here.
Nash was one of those guys I thought was there for my whole life.
Come on.
Put him down! Put him down!
Wake up, baby.
Come on, get the girl. You've got to get her to the hospital.
Hunter, I'm sorry.
Should have finished the job, buddy, because I'm back.
There he is! He's back! 7 weeks ago, Kevin Nash sent Triple H to the hospital. Triple H carrying a sledgehammer.
It's not going to matter who thinks they're right and who thinks they're wrong. This Sunday, might will make right. This Sunday, I will climb to the top of the ladder. I will get this hammer because I am right. I will bring this hammer down on Kevin Nash over and over again because I am right. And Kevin Nash, you are simply done.